This is Suspiro a la Limeña, a quick caramelized Peruvian dessert. Make 6 servings and takes 25 minutes to prepare. 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 395 grams. 4 large egg yolks. 125 milliliters of heavy cream. 100 grams of granulated sugar for caramel. 2 tablespoons of sweet wine or port. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon for dusting. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Pour 395 grams of sweetened condensed milk and 125 milliliters of heavy cream into a medium nonstick saucepan. Heat the mixture over medium-low heat, stirring constantly with a spatula until it thickens, about 12 minutes. Whisk the 4 egg yolks in a small bowl. Temper them by whisking 2 tablespoons of the hot dulce into the yolks, then pour the yolk mixture back into the pan and cook for 1 minute more while stirring. Stir in 2 tablespoons of sweet wine or port and cook for 30 seconds while stirring. Remove the pan from heat and let the dulce base cool for 5 minutes while you prepare the meringue topping. Whip 125 milliliters of heavy cream at medium speed until soft peaks form, about 2 minutes. Gently fold the whipped cream into the cooled dulce base until the mixture is homogeneous. Spoon the dulce mixture into 6 small serving cups and smooth the tops with the back of the spoon. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon evenly over each cup. Sprinkle a thin, even layer of granulated sugar on top of each cup using about 100 grams total. Caramelize the sugar using a kitchen torch until golden, about 15 to 20 seconds per cup. If you do not have a torch, place the cups under a hot broiler for 1 to 2 minutes while watching constantly. Let the caramelized top set for 2 minutes. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. After setting, serve chilled or at room temperature. Enjoy the Suspiro a la Limeña and thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. This is the finished Suspiro a la Limeña with a caramelized top. Make 6 servings and took 25 minutes. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more recipes.